Hello everyone, welcome back. Let's talk about how we are going to download the software and how we are going to install into your machine. The first thing is first. So let's open your browser and just type download Java Jdk. Normally it will take you to Oracle website and there are some other additional websites also, but you don't have to worry about all those things. But you can directly download from oracle.com because our JDK is a Oracle product. So let's go to Java SE downloads. Java SE is nothing but Java standard editions. And then click JDK download here. And then it will take you to the next page where you can find out all the different platforms like Linux, Mac, and Windows. We need it for Windows. So if you're using Windows 64 machine, you can use Windows 64. Okay. Just click this hyperlink and then it will show you must accept the Oracle technology. Some pop-up message. You need to accept the review and the Oracle technology the agreement, and then you need to download the JDK. This particular button which will download the exe file. See, and you can save it wherever you want. So I'm gonna save it in the download and save it. Okay, it's download in progress. I'm gonna pause the video until the download is complete. The download is completed. Let me open the download folder. There you can find out the JDK. Okay, so what basically you need to do, just double click the software, it will launch the installation setup. Just click run. It might take a while, just give it a minute. So it started. So once the installation pop-up has been appeared, you need to choose next and it will show you which location it is going to be installed. It is going to be installed your C drive, programming files, Java. Under Java, it will install JDK-14.0.1. The reason why we have JDK 14.0.1 because that is the latest version which is available in the Oracle website. If you want to change the location, which normally we don't do, if you want, you can do it by clicking the change button. Click next, then it will take a few more minutes. Just wait. So I might be fast forwarding this in entire installation session. So once the installation is completed, then we'll proceed from there. So the installation completed successfully. Then we can click close. Just want to make sure, let's go back to the installation directory to see our JDK has been installed. So go to local C drive and program files. Under program files you have Java. There you might see a lot of versions here because I'm working with a different version. So the one which we install is nothing but JDK 14.0.1. Correct. So we have a JDK, but we talked about something called JRE, right? So this is the JRE which will help us to run the code. Okay. So in the next video we'll set up the environment. So the installation is done, the next process setup. Thank you.